Now, I'm based in London and it is officially cold, but I thought I'd let you know exactly the ways in which you should change your hair care routine during the colder weather. So in this video, I'll talk about how seasonal changes can affect your hair, what to look out for, the easy, simple ways that we can help by changing your routine, and the single most important change you can make to your home hair care regime over the winter months. So have you noticed when you go outside as the weather changes and it starts to get colder, the first thing that you notice is that your lips dry out more quickly? Now, I bet many of you watching will have already found yourselves using lip balm more frequently or carrying it around with you when perhaps you don't need to do that during the summer. Now, this is a really good example of how the cold and damp environment outside and the warm, drier environment inside can play havoc with your skin, your lips, and of course your hair as well. The difference is we haven't got nerve endings in our hair to be able to feel when they dry out, where of course we do in our lips. You'll also find that your hair is more prone to tangles and knotting, either due to coat collars matting the hair at the back or when you're out and about if it's windy. So crucially, you need to be mindful of your hair in a different way this time of year. Easy changes you can make to your lifestyle straight away is carry around with you a soft detangling brush of some kind. Now, this is particularly important if you have longer hair because you will know that your hair will get tangled more quickly, and doing that a little bit during the day as you go, very gently of course, is going to avoid any serious knots or tangles. Now with that, you can also add a little bottle of serum into your bag to carry around with you. That's great for top-ups. So when you come in from the cold and you go to the bathroom, wash your hands, put a little bit of serum on the ends of your hair, and that's going to keep that hydration layer going. It's a really good idea to wear your hair in a soft braid to one side if it is very long underneath your jacket when you're out and about. Now, I actually really think it looks cool when you see long hair tucked into a big jacket, but that can really cause havoc with the rubbing and the friction for the back of the hair. So avoid doing that, but it does look kind of great. Now, here's the single most important and easiest by far change that you can make to your hair routine during the winter, and you can do this straight away. I had a video on this on TikTok that went viral, so I know it's popular. Go to your bathroom right now, take away your conditioner and replace it with a hair mask of some kind. Now, I'm pretty sure you will have some kind of moisturizing or conditioning hair mask sitting, gathering dust in the back of your cupboard somewhere. Get that out and swap it out straight away. Use that mask in place of your conditioner. You don't even need to leave it on any longer. But just by using a more concentrated conditioning formula like most hair masks are, you're going to give your hair an extra bit of resilience against that cold weather. Now, implementing just one of these tips is really going to help your hair over the colder months. But if you want the best possible hair throughout the festive season and into the new year, make these changes straight away and your hair will thank you for it.